for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play Nirvana, Smells Like Teen Spirit. This song was requested. It's a pretty awesome song. It's not super hard to play. It's probably like a little bit intermediate for you guys just because the strumming can be a little bit difficult, but it's not too bad. I think you can do it. So it's just punch power chords basically. Except for the verses are like crazy easy to play. So please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. And also, please, ask for request more songs that you want to learn. So I'll promise I'll get to them when I can, if I can do it. All right. So, so in this song, what you're gonna do here is Alexa, stop. Like Alexa, stop. I don't know what triggered her. She's always listening to me, like the government. Anyway, so okay, for this song, standard tuning, no capo. What you're gonna do is just basically power chords, all right? So the intro part's first, and it's the same as the chorus. Then I'll show you how to do the verses. So the verses are crazy easy. So what you're gonna do, power chord, you're gonna put your pointer finger, it's gonna go on the first fret on the big E string. Then your ring finger goes on the third fret on the A string. Pinky finger goes like that. So this finger's not touching anything, but your pinky finger goes on the third fret on the D string, okay? And you're not barring it, and what you're doing is you're actually just touching the other strings with your pointer finger, all right, so that it's muting them. So it's like that. If you were barring it, it would be like, you're not doing that, okay? That'll make it easier for you. So you do on 1 and 3, down, up, down, mute, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same frets, so 1 and 3, all right, and you're just gonna move down one set of strings. So instead of being on E, A, and D, you're gonna go down to 1 and 3, 3, and you're gonna be on A, D, and G. Okay, so you do down, down, down. Okay, so you do, so, and I'm gonna say too, I'm gonna show you the 2 ways to play this, because there's an easier way and there's the harder way that's the actual way, okay? So you do, the harder way is you do, okay, so you do, see that? So you're actually still touching the strings, you're just not pushing them down when it's like, you're not actually playing them, but it's just that, okay, like that, so you do, okay? So you do down, up, down, and then you're just doing, touching them and doing down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up. So you do down, 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 okay? So you do down, down on the 1 and 3 on the A, D, and G strings, down, 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 up, down, okay? So the E, A, D, down, down, up, down, okay? And then you go to 1, 3, 3 on A, D, and G, down, down, open, okay? And on the open one, you're basically just trying to hit the A, D, and G strings, okay? Okay, and then, so after you do the open one, then you're gonna go back onto the E, A, and D strings, but you're gonna be on the 4th and 6th frets, okay? So you're gonna put your pointer finger on E on the 4th fret, and then you're gonna do ring on the ring finger goes on the 6th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the ring finger on the D string, okay? Like that, and you do. So you're doing the same thing here, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? And then you go on to, you're gonna be on the same frets, but you're gonna go down a set of strings. So you're gonna be on A, D, and G on this one, so still on 4th and 6th though. Okay, so here we go. So when you get on to 4 and 6, you do the same thing there. You do down, down, open, down, down, down. Then you go back and start over, okay? So 1 and 3 on A, D, E, A, and D. Okay, like that. Now, if you're having a hard time with the, because it does make it a little bit harder, you don't have to do that, but then you'll have to mute it. So you do. Okay, so you don't have to do that part. It sounds a lot better, and it's how they actually play it if you do. Okay, so you do 1 and 3 on E, A, and D, 1, 3 on A, D, and G, and then open. So you do 2. Okay, and then you come up to 4 and 6 on E, A, and D. So you do like that, down, up, down. All right. and then you're gonna do and go on to 4, 6, 6 on A, D, and G. And then you do open, down, down, open, down, 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 open, down, up, down, 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 open, down, up, down, 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 open, down, up, down, 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 open, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. Down, up, down, open, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 open, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 open, down, up, down. And you just repeat that. Repeat it 4 times, okay? I believe that's how they do it. And then when you get to the verse, it's so easy. You just put your pointer finger, you're gonna put it on the 1st fret on the B and a little E string, and you're just gonna do, so you're just gonna do B, E, and that's it. And then you're gonna do it a 2nd time in a little bit. So it's load up on guns and bring your friends, it's on. Okay, and you're gonna do it again. Now, you do the same thing later, and then when you get to the hello, 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 hello. Okay, when you do that part, you're still gonna be on that 1st fret on those same strings, and you're just gonna be just going back and forth. B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, you're just doing that. And then when you go to the chorus, you're just gonna play it like you did the intro. I'm not good enough at this yet to be able to play it and sing it at the same time, but I think it would take a good amount of practice. But and you have to be pretty good, honestly. I don't think I'm good enough to do it, but maybe if I practice it a lot. But anyway, that's how you play it. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's an awesome song. Rock it, enjoy it, love it, and I'll see you next time.